Nubia just unveiled the REDMAGIC 10 Air in China, the thinnest gaming smartphone yet. It combines strong power, great design, and advanced cooling for extended gaming. It features a 6.8-inch OLED screen by BOE with full HD resolution 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. It utilizes 93.7% of the front and features a screen with 10-bit color depth covering 100% of the DCI-P3 range. Its dimming rate is 2160 Hz, ensuring minimal flicker at low brightness. The touch sampling rate is 2000 Hz, enabling quick responses to gestures and touches during gameplay. It also includes a feature called Magic Touch, which the brand claims improves response by 20%. Perfect for gaming. Highly competitive. It features a mere thickness of just 7.85 millimeters and boasts a display, which means it has gentle curves along the edges. However, it must be noted that its processor is not the most powerful available right now, as it is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Nevertheless, this is a solid processor, and it is also paired with the Red-Core R chip. This chip is designed to enhance audio, manage vibration, and control lighting in real time, thereby reducing the additional workload on the main processor. It is available with either 12 or 16 GB versions of LPDDR4X RAM, and you can choose between 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The cooling system is named Composite Liquid Metal 2.0, which incorporates a vapor chamber, graphite, and phase change materials for excellent cooling performance. Additionally, it provides support for the brand new Magnetic Cooler 6 Pro, a fan that attaches to the backside for even better cooling. As we are already accustomed to, it operates on REDMAGIC OS 10, which is based on Android 15, and it includes artificial intelligence features that rely on DeepSeek technology to enhance the gaming experience. These features include crosshair assist and buff trigger, both of which utilize artificial intelligence for the automatic detection of certain key moments. Regarding the cameras at the back, there is a 50-megapixel main camera and also a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Additionally, we also have a front-facing camera with 16 megapixels, once again positioned under the screen. It promises to deliver straightforward selfies. However, it includes a new algorithm now at version 4.0 designed to enhance this type of photography further. The battery boasts a capacity of 6,000 mAh, even though the device aims for a slim profile. It also supports an 80-watt charging capability, which according to the brand statistics will charge from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. Additionally, it provides modes such as charge bypass to produce less heat during gaming sessions, and it supports Wi-Fi 7 networks, along with Bluetooth version 5.4. Furthermore, it includes NFC, stereo speakers, a vibration motor along the X-axis, and a fingerprint reader embedded within the screen. Naturally, it also features the touch triggers, which have a response rate of 520 Hz, and an anti-sweat coating to prevent accidental activation. This device has been showcased in 3 colors in China: black, white, and orange. The announced price for this region is 3,499 yuan for the most basic model, which includes 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, roughly equivalent to around 400. Now, we must wait for its global availability, which has not yet been confirmed. However, REDMAGIC usually launches such devices through its online store. Do you think the REDMAGIC 10 Air is the top gaming phone today, or do you prefer another model?